Hey guys, Jeff Bowen over at Dave Sinclair Buick-GMC. I'm sitting inside a 2021 Buick Encore GX. The new GX has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I'm going to show you how to set it up on your phone to make it super easy. So first step, you're going to go to your settings on your phone. Now I have an iPhone. I'm going to go through, make sure my Bluetooth is turned on. It is. Now on the screen, I'm going to go to my phone button. No phone connected, we're going to connect phone. Add phone. We're going to be looking for MYBUICK. Here it is right here. Make sure the codes match up. We're going to hit pair on the screen, pair on the phone. We're going to allow it to sync the contacts. There we go. Connected. Continue. Apple CarPlay. All right, so now that I'm hooked up through wireless CarPlay, I can access all of my apps that I would use, such as my phone, my maps, of course my music, or I can leave it on the home screen that shows my map, what's playing, what's around me, nice and easy. It really is that easy. If you have any questions or you want to schedule a test drive on a 2021 Buick Encore GX, you can give me a call, 314-463-4166, or send me an email, jbowen@davesinclairauto.com.